Hi, this is Rick Rule. I'd like to welcome you to the virtual exhibitors tour for the Sprott Vancouver Natural Resource Investment Symposium held July 17th through 20th in Vancouver, British Columbia. A few words before I embark on the tour. It's important that you, as an attendee or prospective attendee, understand that every public issuer, every company that exhibits at the Sprott Vancouver Natural Resources Conference is owned in a Sprott managed account. This is not our way of guaranteeing you that every share can go up. We're not clairvoyant. But it is a guarantee that every single exhibitor was vetted by Sprott. We know them and we know them well. We would urge you to get to know them before the conference. Do your work. Go to the company's website. Go to the Sprott website and learn how we review companies. And think about them in a few different ways. Remember, first of all, as we've told you countless times before, that the natural resources exploration and development business is as much a people business as it is an asset business. Get to know which teams have been successful in the past and get to know what form of success that they have enjoyed. It's the management track record that is the best guarantee of success on any individual property in the future. Look at the company's finances too. Make sure that they have enough money in place or have access to the money in place that will enable them to be a success. Further, don't waste your time with companies looking for small mines. You might get unlucky. They might find one, and then the bad news really begins. Big mines make big money. Small mines make small money, but both exhibit the same level of risk. Remember in particular for exploration stage companies that money is made in the market by answering unanswered questions. Find out what the company's unanswered question is and begin the process of determining what you think the probabilities of a yes answer will be and what that yes answer will be worth. We'll be there to help you. There'll be lots of speakers that'll talk about lots of aspects of making money in natural resources. But where the rubber meets the road is your preparation, your determination, your willingness. I am absolutely certain that among the companies that are exhibiting this year, there are investments that will make you enough money if you play the game correctly, that you will be thankful for a decade that you attended the conference. Thanks. Let's get ready to work. Everbank has been a sponsor of this conference since we, in fact, started the conference. And I'm delighted to relate a little known fact to most people that come to the conference, which is that Everbank actually started as a consequence of a discussion one weekend in my living room in Carlsbad, California. From that idea grew a $25 billion bank, now owned by TIAA-CREF, one of the largest institutional pension investors in the country. Everbank's innovative services, from deposit services to mortgage services, have brought increased prosperity to literally hundreds of thousands of investors, while in its time as a public company, it also served to enrich many equity investors before it was taken over by TIAA-CREF. Thanks again to Everbank for being a sponsor of this year's Sprott Vancouver Natural Resources Investment Symposium.